Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-hit mo na yung notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga accounting and taxation videos. So ngayon, maggagawa tayo ng reaction video tungkol sa picture na to. So, sa picture na to, inabot siya ng 65,000 post reach na may 405 shares at may 3,200 views sa loob lamang ng 3 araw, no? So parang nag-trending to sa mundo ng accounting or sa mga different accounting groups and pages. So basahin ko yung tanong, kung pala order ka sa Shopee, ano ang mag-a-apply? FOB shipping point o FOB destination? So alam naman nating lahat sa mga accountancy students, even sa ABM students ay diniscuss na to. Kung ano ang FOB shipping point at FOB destination. So kahit sa ABM yung mga basic na discussion lang nito, I think na-discuss na to sa topic na merchandising and sa financial accounting naman para sa mga accountancy students. So iisa-isahin natin yung mga comments. So, and then at the end of this video, kukunin natin yung pinaka best na reply or comment. Tapos, i-discuss natin yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, sabi ni Eleanor Joy Simanya, next please daw. So, parang skip siya dito. Sabi naman ni Chris Jade Nulada Pajardo, FOB destination pag COD. Okay. So, FOB shipping, FOB destination daw pag COD. So sabi ni Sheng Lazo, the important thing daw is that my order arrived. So, one of the best comments na nakita ko. So, sabi naman ni Lorraine Pintor, shipping point daw if Shopee Pay, and then destination if COD. So, sabi naman ni Dominador B. Billones III, FOB destination, rationale niya, the buyer may not receive the title of ownership until the product reaches the buyer's location. Sabi naman ni Kim Jimenez, 1111 for more mga accountants. So sabi naman ni Mark Glenn Gerodes Parpan, those who didn't understand my audit prob discussion on inventories can't answer. I think this is a CPA na nagtuturo ng auditing problems. Sabi ni JC Supnet, this 1111 is really my last order. Sabi ni Via Garcia, FOB destination because if it hasn't been given to the buyer or transferred, the seller does not have a sale yet. So he won't be considered as accounts receivable when COD is in the process of delivering the products FOB destination when buyer payments is already given and the products are transferred to him. It's FOB shipping points. So I asked the legends. So doon tayo mag-ask sa legends. Sino yung mga legends natin? Ito yung mga teachers natin, reviewers natin, and even authors. I contact them. But unfortunately, wala pang nag-reply na author, no? So yung nag-accept ng challenge natin na sumagot sa tanong na to is yung mga legends natin na nasa review centers. Shout out nga pala kasi binasa ni Sir Acer Tamayo, a reviewer in Review School in Accountancy, or RESA, yung ating message at sinagot na naman. Nagtanong din siya sa kanyang mga accounting reviewers or other reviewers sa RESA, no? So it is such a privilege na ma-replyan with the RESA team. So shout out sa Review School of Accountancy. God bless and more power. So sabi ng Team RESA, so sa Team RESA to na answer, through the help of Sir Acer Tamayo, ito yung sagot nila sa tanong na if pala order ka sa Shopee, ano ang mag-a-apply? FOB shipping point or FOB destination? So sabi ni Team RESA, I suggest you look into the accounting policy of Lazada or Shopee. If not, in public, try the consolidated financial statements and check the revenue recognition policy. In general, revenue from sale of goods owned is recognized upon the transfer of control over the goods. I think you know the answer on shipping point or destination. So, alam niya na alam ko na yung concept ng FOB shipping point at saka FOB destination. Kaya hindi na siya definition ng terms dyan. So, however daw, I don't have info on whether Lazada or Shopee operates on these terms. I suggest you read the terms and conditions indicated when ordering goods through them to know the timing of transfer control. So, ang ganda, ang pinakamagandang sagot or pinakamagandang comment or pinakamagandang reply na nabasa ko. Nag-research ako kasi I am a former auditor naman, so I tried to search a consolidated financial statements kasi pag listed yan, nung nag-audit kami, pag listed yan, dapat available for public. Pero may nakita kasi akong ito yung sinadjust ni Team Reza na I will look into the accounting policy of Lazada or Shopee. So, tinignan ko yung terms and policies nila. So, pumunta ako sa app ng Shopee. Punta lang po tayong account settings. And then, tignan natin yung Shopee policies. Meron silang S-commerce, meaning Shopee Commerce, terms of sale. So, dito na natin malalaman ang sagot sa tanong natin. Then, punta tayo sa risk. The risk of damage to or loss of the Shopee products shall pass to you at the time of delivery. No? Sabi niya, the risk will pass at the time of delivery. Okay. And then, meron pa siyang second na bullet. Notwithstanding delivery and the passing of risk in the Shopee products or any other provision of the terms of sales, the title to the Shopee product shall not pass to you until Shopee has received cash or cleared fund payments in full of the price for S-commerce product. So meaning, yung risk ay nasa sayo upon delivery, no? Pero you will, pwede ka namang magreklamo or mag-request ka ng refund, no? Especially if hindi mo pa nababayaran. Tapos awaiting delivery, nabahaan, ganun. Cash is received. So parang yung dali nila dito is cash basis nila, no? So yung title, mapapasa kanya lang at the point of destination. So pwede nating isagot pag Shopee Pay, tanungin natin si Kuya Will, Shopee Pay ba yan? Kasi kung Shopee Pay yan, automatic FOB shipping point yan, no? Pero pag COD, pag cash on delivery, yung risk is na kay buyer, yung title na kay seller pa, pag in transit yung item. So yun guys, hope na naliwalagan tayo. If COD, a special contract yung nag-govern or special stipulation as stated in the Shopee policies. Pero pag naka-Shopee Pay, tama yung sagot, FOB shipping point. Okay? So yun guys, hope na nasagot natin yung query and yung trending na topic na to. Okay? If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na para updated ka sa ating mga accounting and taxation video. Thank you!